Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use Gemini AI, that is from Google. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just want to open Chrome browser. I just want to access Gemini. Google has introduced a super AI. How to use this one? So on your right hand side corner, you will find your Google apps. There will be a Gemini added over here. So this is a fresh applications and fresh yay. So Gemini chat to supercharge. So this is chat with Gemini, so you can generate the image and call, everything will be there. What are the chats you are giving, every result will be displayed over here. So in my login, I have logged in with my Gmail account. So chat with Gemini. So it will, first time if you are going into that, it will ask you for term and privacy. So just give I understand. So these are the information. Use Gemini. So once you click here to use Gemini, so this is welcome to Gemini. So you can able to see all kind of things. Continue. So like this is the Gemini model. So you can able to see that hello Howext and how I can help you. There will be a finish gaming, create heuristics, and give me a tips, and everything will be there. You can whatever you want, you can type, means automatically if you are sending the information, it will generate the details. So what are the details you want, you can generate the details in a different kind of format. The Gemini is running. This is a simple logo which is given from the Gemini option. So in your right hand side corner, you will find the menus option here. So you can see what are the menus, what are the things will be there, everything will be displayed over here. So I have given the futuristic car driving will be there. So there are plenty of images will be there. So if you want to generate more images, just click here to generate the more image. If you want download these images as well. So these are the recent search which I did here. So there will be activity and settings will be there. I'll tell you what is settings. So just click here for the settings option. You will have the extension and public links and dark theme. If you want to make this one as a dark theme, just click here to make a dark theme or light theme. That is depends on your style and ethics. So see the latest update in Gemini. So it is given the information over here. So what are the information you want, you can type. So I just want to type create a blog for my channel, YouTube channel. So I have given so what are the input I'm giving. So it will create a blogging options. So you can able to see what are the blogging options are there. So you can able to identify the bloggings and you can able to read whatever information is there. So for example, I just want to listen this one into that. So I play this.
Creating a blog for your YouTube channel, a guide. Having a blog alongside your YouTube channel is a fantastic way to expand your reach.
Yes, similarly I can able to see and listen what are the informations are there. Just scroll down, you will have there in the Google respond and dislike, and there will be a modify response will be there, and share and export will be there. So if you like this option, so just click here for the share. So you can share using your email and entire prompt link, or you can create a public link as well as you can create a Google Docs options. So export as a docs means automatically it will move into docs option, as well as if you want to make a mail option, so you can create a draft also. So Google has provided this kind of option. So I just click here. So documents will be open here, so I can able to see create a blog for my YouTube channels. Everything will be displayed over here, as well as I want to create a draft, I can able to do that. So similarly there will be a double check response will be there. If you want to double check on that, you can use this option. You can copy and paste it over there or any other places over here. So if you want to get another response for the same things, just type other. So once you type other response will be displayed over here. So simply and easiest way to give the response. So absolutely additional adding for the YouTube blog channels, which I have asked for the Gemini. Automatically Gemini will generate the things. So if I have the logo over here or any other types of images over here, so I want to know about this logo, I just drag and drop the images over here, or I just want to place the images over here also, it will be easy. So I just click here for the upload image, and I just click here for got it. So you can get the image and you can access the image as well. Whatever informations you have, everything will be displayed over here. So yeah, so I just go to my drive. I just want to share some informations, or I just want to get the informations over here. So I just have some logos over here. I just want to know about what is this logo. So I just place the logo and I just give my prompt over here. What is this logo? So I have given some kind of things, and this placing means automatically it will generate, it will search from the internet source, and Google Gemini has a lot of ideas will be there, so automatically it will display over here. The logo is sent blue circle and it's explaining to the all kind of social media related things, and what are the informations are there in that logo, everything will be displayed over here. So simple and easiest way it can be identify what are the informations are there in your logos, everything. So simple and easiest way you can give your microphone voiceover things, what are the information you want to search, you can search and add in microphone, you can search in image, and whatever the text you can search and copy that using this Gemini. So use Gemini option, you can get a lot of options using this, and you can recently chat, or if you want to create a new chat over here, so to create to identify whatever information you want, use this Gemini option to generate your own idea using AI. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Havoc channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment box. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.